So next up, and the first of our commercial sites, is called From Gray to Green. Paul DeBerry from Newell, Tereska, and McKay Engineering, and Laura Freen from Michael Baker Corporation.
The Grays Ferry Shopping Center is ready for a change. The From Gray to Green concept is that change, focusing on elements that not only improve the look of the site, but more importantly, its environmental function. My name is Laura Freen of Michael Baker Corporation, and along with Paul DeBerry of NTM Engineering, and on behalf of our entire team, we thank you for this opportunity to present our concept, a commercial retail retrofit to turn Grays Ferry green. On-site and off-site drainage, rainwater harvesting and reuse, curb cuts, green walls, bioretention islands, and planter boxes are the elements incorporated into our base design. This design includes over 588,000 gallons of available storage and has a cost of just $1.33 per gallon. The Plus option was developed as part of an implementation strategy, and in addition to the base design elements, includes green parking. The Plus option, which adds the CSO disconnection and a constructed wetland, maximizes storage and your investment with a $1.44 cost per gallon. Our design focused on 4 key elements. Stormwater management will increase storage, improve quality, and reduce fees. Sustainable elements will improve the quality and beautify the site. New economic opportunities will provide revenue to offset cost. Social benefits will create a gateway for the community.
The design concept incorporates a variety of vegetated stormwater management practices, or SMPs, the gray to green concept. It takes advantage of evapotranspiration, maximizes storage, filtering, removal of pollutants, and improves water quality, all while accommodating the restrictive requirements of the brownfield. The parking lot is reconfigured to eliminate 100% of directly connected impervious areas to the combined storm sewer. The design eliminates 24% of the existing gray impervious area. It captures and treats 5.2 acres of off-site runoff from Grays Ferry Avenue, the Rosa Building, and the site to the west. We have curb cuts to collect off-site runoff from Grays Ferry Avenue to on-site treatment. We reverse the drainage system in front of the Pathmark building to bypass the combined sewer, and all runoff is directed to on-site stormwater management practices and treated before being conveyed to a wetland treatment train system. The bioparking areas includes bioretention islands, cells, swales, and green porous parking, and utilizes the treatment train approach also. The benefits include maximizing pollutant removal and water temperature reduction, all with keeping with the Sustainable Sites Initiative landscaping guidelines. For rainwater harvesting, we disconnect roof drains to capture roof runoff into 3 16,000-gallon tanks, which is used to water planter boxes and supply toilets and cooling condensers, a significant savings in water and energy. We expect art funding for the community to paint the tanks to a green theme, fostering community ownership. The constructed wetland is on a vacant lot adjacent to the Pathmark. It will have a 4-bay micropool and wetland vegetation. It will have a boardwalk and educational signage and be connected to the Schuylkill River Trail. There will be research opportunities and increased consumer traffic to the Pathmark. The retrofit removes 3 inches of runoff, the upper level of the 0.5 to 3 inch required for the competition. On an annual basis, that's 14 million gallons treated. For comparison, that's equivalent to 22 Olympic-sized swimming pools being treated. There will be storage in 8 different types of stormwater management practices.
Incorporating sustainable green design elements into the parking areas and pedestrian walkways will visually turn this site from gray to green. Treating stormwater where it falls, reducing the heat island effect, and eliminating the use of winter salt are just some of the benefits these design elements provide. There is no better way to visually go from gray to green than to utilize green walls. Green walls capture storm water and will beautify the building. Green roofs were investigated due to their many benefits and available funding, but ultimately were not incorporated into our cost per gallon due to structural unknowns. Stormwater management and sustainable elements were major factors of this design, but we realized the importance of going a step further. Finding economic and social opportunities to offset these improvement costs, as well as revitalize the retail center, are just as important to the overall concept of from gray to green. The shopping center contains an existing grassy area that we believe is most valuable, being leased as an outdoor garden center. The revenue generated will offset site improvement costs and increase foot traffic. Additional income can also be generated by selling stormwater management credits to neighboring properties. From new artwork to bike stations for local riders, the social elements of this design help create a community center for the people of Gray's Ferry. Educational opportunities from stormwater management and sustainable elements also engage the community to have a vested interest in the site. The cost per gallon options presented do not take into account the multitude of available funding opportunities that exist just within the Philadelphia region. Nearly all of the options we have proposed have some type of funding available to offset their cost. Works to secure these funds may even result in a cost per gallon below $1. From Gray to Green is about the future, enhancing the environment while revitalizing a neighborhood. The proposed concepts are obtainable. They fit into the context of the community, can utilize available funding sources, and meet the criteria for stormwater management set forth by the City of Philadelphia. This is From Gray to Green.